Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning, beta. Good morning. Good
Very good
morning.
It's a combined one, sir.
Okay, beta. What are you getting in your reasoning syllabus? What is your reasoning syllabus?
May I tell? Sir, pattern will come, classification will come, mirror and water images will come, and ranking test.
Ranking test. Okay.
Sir, today we will do
So
reasoning.
yes, today we will do reasoning. So
Sir,
there
so
are
please.
there are four topics. Please confirm that it is number series, analogy and classification, ranking test, and mirror images. These are the four topics.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
These are the
sir.
four topics.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what we have already done out of this in our previous matlab,
Sir, we have
when
May
we
I tell?
did
Sir,
We
UT1
have done the number series, analogy.
and classification. This we have done. Two
Yes,
we have
sir.
done and two are left. Mirror images and ranking test is left.
Sir, analogy we have not done.
Analogies we have done, beta.
Yes,
We
sir.
did it.
Analogy we have done.
We did it in UT1 before UT1. Okay. So let us start with the ranking test today. We will be doing reasoning today and we will do ranking test. Okay, everyone.
Okay, sir.
Sir, we will write the answer in chat box.
Yes.
Can you
Ready?
please explain, sir? Can you please explain the chapter which are coming in this term, first term?
Number series, analogy and classification, ranking test, and mirror images. Number series, analogy and classification, ranking test, and mirror images. Okay. These are the chapters that we are getting. So today we are going to start ranking test. Okay. So let me explain with the help of an example. Let me start. एक मैं सीधे क्वेश्चन से स्टार्ट करता हूँ. Okay. बहुत easy सा basic सा क्वेश्चन है. This is ranking test. So suppose if I tell you that there is a person, total students in a class, or suppose 10 students are there in the class. Number of students in a class is equal to 10. Suppose you don't have to write. अभी नहीं लिखना है. Suppose there are 10 students in a class and there is a person, there is a child named XYZ. His position from the starting is fourth. Position from starting is fourth. You have to tell his position from the last. His position from the last. Position from the last क्या होगी? ये हमको बताना है. So please send your answers in the chat box. I will explain everything. This is just for a basic introduction of the
But sir, the
chapter.
chat is disabled.
ओके कोई बात
Sir,
नहीं, मैं बता
chat is
देता हूँ, ओपन कर देता हूँ चैट बॉक्स, कोई बात नहीं बेटा. Yeah, now please give your answer in the chat box.
Sir, the chat. Sir, I have sent the answer.
Sir, I've already.
Sir, I have sent the answer.
Okay, so let me see the answers from the chat box and tell how many of you have given the answer correctly. एक बच्चा है जिसकी पोजीशन स्टार्टिंग से फोर्थ है, उस बच्चे की पोजीशन पीछे से क्या होगी? So some of you have given answer as 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 7. एक बच्चे का 7 भी आया, 4 भी आया एक बच्चे का, 7, 7, 7. फिर बहुत सारे बच्चों ने 7, 7, 7 दिया है. फिर से एक बच्चे का 6 है, एक बच्चे का 8 भी है. 6, 6, 6, 6. बहुत सारे बच्चों ने 6 भी दिया है आंसर. So many of you are saying the answer is 6. Some of you are saying 7. And एक बच्चे ने 8 आंसर दिया है, एक ने 4 भी. So देखो, let me explain. देखिए, there are 10 students in the class. Suppose वो 10 students ये हैं, A, B, C, फिर आया फोर्थ पोजीशन पे XYZ. ठीक है, उसके बाद मान लेते हैं D, E, F, G. तो कितने हो गए? दिस इज द फर्स्ट वन, सेकंड, थर्ड पोजीशन, फोर्थ पोजीशन, फिफ्थ, सिक्स, सेवेंथ, एट्थ, H and I. नाइन्थ पोजीशन, ये I लिखा है बेटा मैंने गंदा सा. ठीक है, 9th एंड 10th पोजीशन। तो ये 10 बच्चे हैं क्लास में। सो स्टार्टिंग से 4th पोजीशन पे कौन दिख रहा है आपको? देखो कौन दिख रहा है स्टार्टिंग से 4th पोजीशन पे?
X, Y, Z.
The
एक्स,
XYZ.
4th पोजीशन पे XYZ। हाँ, यही हमको दिया हुआ था कि XYZ इज एट द 4th पोजीशन। अब पूछना है लास्ट से अगर हम काउंट करेंगे, पीछे से काउंट करना स्टार्ट करेंगे तो XYZ की कौन सी पोजीशन आएगी? आइए देखिए, काउंट करते हैं। देखो सही है, वेरी गुड।
7.
फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, ये पीछे से
Sir,
काउंटिंग कर
7.
रहा हूँ। ओके बेटा, ध्यान से देखना, मैं पीछे से काउंटिंग कर रहा हूँ। 1 2 3 4 5 6 एंड 7th। कौन सी पोजीशन आई XYZ के पीछे से?
Sir, 7.
7. Sir, I'm not counting X, Y, Z. Sir, I'm just counting from to
नहीं,
D.
तो यही तो बताना है
Till
XYZ
the
की
D.
पोजीशन क्या है पीछे से। XYZ कौन से नंबर पे आएगा? 7th नंबर पे आएगा। ओके, सो अंडरस्टूड। आपने क्या करा?
Sir, I have one doubt.
कुछ बच्चों ने 10 माइनस 4 कर लिया।
this on metro.
हाँ, सो देखो कुछ बच्चों ने 10 माइनस 4 कर लिया, आंसर आ गया 6 आया। बट दिस इज नॉट करेक्ट। आपको
Sir,
क्या
I
करना है?
just
10 में
counted.
से 4 माइनस करना है, फिर 1 ऐड भी करना है। सॉरी, 1 नॉट 4। फिर उसके बाद 1 ऐड भी करना है, तो आपको पीछे से क्या पोजीशन होगी वो पता चल जाएगी। सो 10 माइनस 4 इज इक्वल टू 6। 6 प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 7।
not writing.
Sir, I'm just counting till the D.
मैम, मैम अभी मैंने कुछ
Sir,
लिखने को नहीं दिया है। आई एम जस्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग द टॉपिक टू द स्टूडेंट्स। देयर इज नथिंग टू राइट इन द कॉपी।
Okay.
excuse me, sir.
यस बेटा,
Sir, I have doubt.
यस।
Sir, but if we have large numbers of students, so
हाँ,
we cannot write all because there is less time. If there is 40 students or 52,
so
so sir, what
you
we can
cannot
do
do
that
it with
then?
this method। वही तो कह रहा हूँ बेटा मैं। सो जब
Yes, sir.
बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स होंगे तो आप ये ऐसे करके थोड़ी करेंगे, फिर तो दैट विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट, है ना। सो दैट इज व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस मेथड। ये क्या है? ये तो गलत हो गया, दिस इज रॉन्ग। ये वाला गलत है, फर्स्ट वाला। दिस इज करेक्ट। व्हाट इज टू बी डन इन दिस? आप टोटल स्टूडेंट्स कितने थे? 10। उसमें से 4 माइनस किया, 4th पोजीशन थी स्टार्टिंग से, 4 माइनस कर दिया एंड देन यू ऐड 1। उसमें 1 और ऐड कर दिए। सो दैट मींस 10 minus 4 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 is the answer।
7.
Understood? So you can use this shortcut method to find the answer। Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so I'm giving you a question, you all will note down the question and try it। Okay, ready everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm just writing the question. Yes, send your answers in the chat box and please write down the question in your copy also। Everyone will note down the question also on their copies। So please see the question from the board and then note down in your copies। Okay, I'm writing it on the screen। Okay, you all will note down from the screen, take help। Naman, okay, I'm going to tell you the question, all of you। In a class of 47 students, comma, Mayank is ranked fifth from the starting. Mayank is ranked fifth from the starting. Full stop.
Sir, now we have
What
to
is
write this.
his rank from the end?
Excuse me, sir. Sir, now we have to write
What
this.
is his rank from the end? Question mark. ये बेटा मयंक को.
Sir, we have to write this.
Yes, you have to write. In a class of 47 students, Mayank is ranked fifth from the starting. What is his rank from the end? So please note down the question in your copies first and then give your answer in the chat box. Okay. Everyone, please give your answer in the chat box and note down the question in your copies also. Note down the question in your copy, everyone. And send your answer in the chat box. I want an answer from everyone. Okay, have you all done? Let me see your answers.
Sir.
I think everyone has one or
Sir,
two
answer.
given wrong answer.
Sir,
Otherwise, most of you have given the correct answer.
Sir, answer.
Yes, Ojasvi, what is the answer?
Sir, 47 minus 5 plus 1. 42 plus 1 is equal to 43.
Very good, excellent.
So the answer is 43. I have also sent it in the chat box.
The answer is 43, right?
I have right languages also.
Okay, very good. Answer is 43. You are right. Excellent. All of you. Very good. Well done. Okay. May I explain the question or have you all understood? So first of all, चलो कोई नहीं मैं बता देता हूँ. So 43 total, sorry 47 were total students in the class. Okay. 47 minus now क्या नाम था बच्चे का Mayank's rank from the starting
Minus
was
5.
5th. तो 5 minus कर लिया. 5 minus कर लिया. And उसके बाद 1 ऐड कर लिया. 47 minus 5 is 42. 42 plus 1 is equal to 43. So his rank will be 43rd from the back, from the end. Okay. बैक साइड से अगर हम रैंक देखेंगे तो 43rd आ जाए मयंक की. चलो भाई नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
Sir, please give the next question very tough.
ओके वेरी टफ. चलो अभी देते हैं बेटा एक दो क्वेश्चन थोड़े.
Sir, I have to do reasoning. Sir, please write the answer also of this one.
बेटा आई हैव ऑलरेडी रिटन द आंसर ऑन द बोर्ड. मैं बता चुका हूँ अभी एक्सप्लेन करा था. वेयर वर यू? अभी तो एक्सप्लेन किया था. In a row of 52 trucks, in a row of 52 trucks, comma, truck of yellow color is 24th from the right end, full stop. What is the truck's position from the left end? Question mark. Okay, so this is the question on the screen. Can you all see it? What is the truck's position from the left end? Question mark. Give your answer in the chat box and note down the question in your copy also. Okay, so have you all done? Let me check the answers.
Yes, sir.
Sir, please give me one more minute. The answer is 29.
Sir, the answer is 29.
Sir, the answer is 29.
Yes, sir. Sir, the answer is 29.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, 52 minus 24
please give
is
1 minute.
28. Then we add 1, so the answer
done.
is 29.
Okay.
Sir, please 1 minute, sir, show the question. Sir, I
You
will
want to
write the
see the
answer, but
question?
not I write question.
This is the question. Second one. Written.
Sir, the questions are very easy.
Hmm. Have you written the question?
Thank you. Yes, sir.
Okay, देखो, so there were 50, how many trucks? 52 trucks were there. अब एक ट्रक है जिसकी पोजीशन राइट साइड से कितनी थी? 24. So you will subtract 24. So you have to tell tell the truck's position from the left end. So 52 minus 24 plus 1 कर लेंगे. 52 minus 24 is 28. 28 plus 1 is 29. So answer is 29th position. Okay, next question. Ready, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, please.
A boy
Sir, please.
named a boy named Rahul is 21st from the top full stop and sorry not and 35th from the end from the bottom full stop. How many students are there in the class? Question mark. Okay, so this is the question. Attempt the question, everyone. Note down the question also and write your answer in the chat box. Have you all done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this question is a little different.